Hello and welcome to the Silver Charts channel. Today is Saturday, the 21st day of January 2017, and this is a channel update. I'm going to get to the gist of it, and then I'm going to go over it in more detail, but I am looking to transition away from YouTube, most likely into BitShoot, and I'm going to explain the reasons why right now. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start this off, though, with some previous views that I did at the start of the year, videos that was at the year-end charts for Bitcoin. I did 3 other markets as well at the end and start of 2016-17. And then silver price chart January 3rd, silver and Bitcoin January 4th, and Bitcoin January 5th. And around November, I started to try to do, if I could, a video a day or 2 the odd day, maybe not have 1 the odd day. And I've stayed with it the entire run up to now. But this video here had a much higher amount of upticks, as even did this one as well, with the rest of them being normal. And this was kind of manipulated, or definitely manipulated. I was expecting 100% that would be high. Comments would be good. I thought maybe a little bit higher, but still nonetheless, I didn't think that this would stay as low. I thought the comments would be extremely high based on how I presented this video. The comments would be good, and 8 for the views is good. However, does having the ratings really help these view counts go higher? Because in this case it didn't. It absolutely did not. Okay, so now I'm going to take a look at some of my charts that occur within my channel. And the first one will be views on the top, and this goes back to 2008. I've been doing videos on this site now for over 10 years, which is a long time, but this is when I pretty much started. I did a few videos before this as well, but picked up into what was 2009. 2010 had some good views, and silver went way up, so my views went way up. And then silver went way down, and my views went way down. That was the first big correction from the $50 level. And then the second one was practically all of 2013 into 2014, right in here. So the next big decline also took views away. And this is ad revenue, where I didn't even plan on doing this when I started. I didn't even know it existed when I did it. But roughly in here, I'm like, yeah, I'll give it a shot. And they approved me okay, and didn't really make much in here. Started to make an okay amount here. And even in here, I was thinking, is it possible that this could actually become a business? Because it kind of was starting to at that point there. And then it was okay, but well, maybe the silver market will come back up. And I knew the whole time that this decline was because of the price. And then this one in here, which resulted in me stopping making videos for a few months, and then of course coming back the middle part of last year. And the whole point of this is it makes it really easy to transition out of it when there's really no prospect of this going much higher on either direction. I've always wanted to have my own TV channel when I was like 10, 12, 13 years old. I guess I kind of have within this, which is again further motivation for me to keep doing these videos. It's just a matter of where will they be done. Now this is view count since 2012, and this is the time frame in which I just didn't do much for 7 months or so. Although something happened this day where I got one of my older videos promoted. Whatever, I don't know what video that was. And you can see that there's a little bit of an uptrend, that things are looking good. But I remember even back here when I was looking at the charts, oh man, I'm finding support at previous resistance, and just the things that I used to look at back in the day. And the view count, not so great. Haven't had a 1,000 view day since here. And when I go on to some of my stats from Social Blade, not one video within this time frame ranks amongst my top 50 for most viewed videos, yet 13 of my top most relevant videos rank within this time frame, which I again find to be a very interesting point. This here is a video game and a channel which is completely different and unique, like mine is. I have a very unique channel relating to silver and I guess now Bitcoin charts primarily. And this chart is a video game by probably the best player of Age of Empires 2 for the last 5 years or so. This happens to be my favorite game, and because I'm 41, a game that was popular when I used to be a lot younger, but still very popular today, which is extremely amazing. It's the 50th most popular sold game on Steam, which is good, but I mean, it's 50th. It didn't make the top 100 of like PCGamer.com list that I just looked at, but whatever. But 7,500 views for a most recent video of about 24 or so hours ago on this recording, and that's about 25 times higher than me. Now, does it make sense that a very old video game showing commentary on games and tricks and such would get 25 views than chart investing analysis on that of silver and Bitcoin and even gold and other things now and again as well? Well, maybe, but I would think that the potential would get a lot higher. So with that being said, I now bring you to BitShootcom. I signed up with these guys on the 13th day of January this year, and it's a very new site. It uses the BitTorrent technology, which I am very clueless about within how that technology works, although of course I know it exists. And when I go to the settings for my account, I have the display name of money charts. After all, silver, gold, if people want to call Bitcoin and other currencies money, I'll focus primarily on those. And that's the plan within this channel. Now, this website over the last week really hasn't changed much. The only thing that has changed on here is the status seems to change a little bit. I think I know what this is. I don't know. I think I might know what this is. It says 77.4%. And throughout this last week since I've been signed up, this seems to keep on slowly but surely going up from what was like 50 or 40% before. So I'm thinking once this reaches 100%, I can upload videos on here. And once I can, it's going to be so simple to be able to literally go on YouTube and say, welcome to the Silver Charts channel on YouTube and the Money Charts channel on BitShoot. And at that point, I can transition away from there to here, and then maybe make like a monthly how you doing kind of video on YouTube just to let people know that I exist now, or I would exist then, or then be in future, or I would exist on BitShoot in the future time frame. Now, as far as what has changed on there, that on the bottom, I sent a message to them asking about the uploads, but I didn't get anything back, and I'm not surprised because when I go to the FAQ, there's only a couple things that I have noticed on this one. There used to be a to-do list, and I read bits and pieces of it before, but they took it off the list because it was generating more email questions than they have time to answer. So I understand why I haven't got an answer back yet. It's so new that on December 23rd, less than 1 month ago, the site just got on the ground with its first user. On January the 11th, it was 100. I came on the 13th, which was 400 and something, I think I was, in that area. And then January 15th at 1,000, as of now, 2395. So therefore, once I'm able to upload on this, then that's where I'm going to start to go. It's going to be really hard for me to get motivated to keep the videos that I'm doing on the YouTube channel. Again, when I look at the views on here, 69, well, these are more recent, of course. This is just a few hours ago. But 180, 220, this one got 84. I mean, it didn't put just a 46-second video. 379. No, yeah, there's a 500 one up there. Like, when's my last 1,000? 145. That's the Dow Jones got crushed. So I'm still awaiting my first 1,000 view video of the year on here total, and I haven't had 1,000 a day, as I stated, in around 4 years. But this is how long it's been. So I'm just going to, as I state, probably transition into BitShoot whenever I can. If I can find any other alternate site, I'm not going to do any like Dailymotion or Vimeo or anything like that. But the BitShoot does sound pretty cool, because the thing about this website in here, when you go to it, it's really designed for free speech media. It's so that's what I like about it too. So it's designed for that level. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.